Hi everyone, welcome. Today we learn how to transfer files or folder using SCP and SFTP file transferring system. So let's get started. Okay, let's see that I have here some files. I want to transfer that 1d.m file from my local PC to the cluster. Uh, so how can I do that? For that, I need the address of that file, the full path of the file, and then I need to go to the command prompt and then SCP command, and then my source address means where my file is, the full path, and then the file name. Sorry. Okay. Then my destination address means my cluster address. So it is my password of the cluster already. So now let's say that not only the file, I actually want to transfer the whole folder, like HW7 folder, I want to transfer the whole folder. So then I need to give the path of the folder, yeah, and then I need to add -r. So -r will make sure that the folder is transferring recursively. Okay. So it is showing that whole actually folder has been transferred. All the files you can see it has been transferred. You can actually check that by going to the cluster. Let's do that using another terminal. Okay, so I'm using actually another terminal to log into my cluster. Okay, so we can see here that we have transferred 1d.m and file and WA7 folder, both are here. So now let's see that let's see how we can transfer files and folder from here to our local PC one by one. So I want to transfer actually in.lambs file and let's see MATLAB folder, and we do that one by one using the command prompt. Okay, the only difference is here now my source address will be my cluster address. So, okay, I want to transfer the in.lambs file. And I want to transfer it here. Okay. So it is showing it has been done. Let's see. I want to transfer the MATLAB folder. So as it is MATLAB folder, it is a folder, we need to add -r here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, now we can see here we have MATLAB file folder already came here, and the file also came here. So this is how we can transfer file and folder using SCP. And now let's actually transfer file and folder using SFTP. And for that, in the command prompt, we need to actually go to the folder which we want to connect with the cluster. So here I want to connect HW7 folder with cluster. Okay, then SFTP and the cluster address and cluster directory which I want to be connected. Okay, now you can see here the here is SFTP. It means that now your folder and this directory in the cluster has been your folder in the local PC and the directory in the cluster has been connected. So if I actually press ls, it will show me the file and folder list of the directory in the cluster. Uh, if I use LLS, it will show me the files and directory I have in this folder, like HW7 folder in my local PC. So let's transfer some file. Let's see that I want to transfer that list to file from the cluster to my PC list. Okay, so the command is get and then file. And pretty much it's done. Here we have a list too. Yeah. And let's see that I want to transfer actually 3D.m from here to cluster, and then it's just put and the file name. Okay, here it's pretty easy. And actually, if so we have transferred the file. If we need to transfer the folder, we just need to put hyphen r after the get or put command. It's like pretty straightforward, and that's why actually it's more easier uh, than SCP, and people actually prefer this. It's more secure, more easier, and it's offer so much functionality than STP. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.